Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, find Tools folder and tap on it. Now you need to click on Recorder app and select this red button to start your recording. First of all, select Allow in the pop-up. And now, as you can see, recording is on. If you wish to stop it, you need to click on the red button again. If you wish to unpause it, just tap one more time. You can also add a bookmark by tapping on this flag icon over here, and if you wish to end and save your recording, tap on the track mark. Now name it however you wish to and click on OK. Then tap on this left button over here with 3 lines to see a list of all your recordings. Then tap on Allow, and to play your recording, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you can do that by holding it, choosing this pin icon at the bottom right corner and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!